The world runs on power, but what happens when the grid fails? Generators step in, quietly saving the day in ways you never expected. From powering concerts to saving lives, these machines are more than just backup plans. They are unsung heroes. Stick around to uncover the surprising ways generators keep our world spinning. Welcome back to Objectified, the channel where everyday objects get their moment in the spotlight. Today, we are diving into the fascinating world of generators. You might think of them as noisy boxes that kick on during a blackout, but their story is so much bigger. Generators are engineering marvels with a history, evolution, and unexpected uses that will blow your mind. Let us explore their origins, their modern-day innovations, their cultural impact, and some jaw-dropping facts you will wish you knew sooner. Generators trace their roots back to the 1830s, when Michael Faraday discovered electromagnetic induction. This breakthrough showed that moving a magnet inside a coil of wire could produce electricity. It was a game changer. By the late 19th century, inventors like Nikola Tesla and Thomas Edison were building on this idea, creating early dynamos and alternators. These were the ancestors of today's generators. They powered the first electric lights and factories, laying the foundation for the modern world. Early generators were bulky, inefficient, and often hand-cranked, but they sparked a revolution. Without them, the industrial age would have looked very different. Fast forward to today, and generators have come a long way. Modern generators are compact, efficient, and incredibly versatile. They come in all shapes and sizes. From portable units you can carry to massive industrial beasts powering entire cities. Innovations like inverter generators have made them quieter and more fuel efficient, perfect for camping or sensitive electronics. Then there is the rise of renewable power generators, like solar and wind hybrids, which are changing the game for off-grid living. In hospitals, generators are literally lifesavers, keeping critical equipment running during outages. Even space missions rely on radioisotope thermoelectric generators to power rovers on Mars. The technology is evolving so fast that some experts predict generators will soon be fully integrated with smart grids, balancing power demands in real time. Generators are more than machines. They are symbols of resilience. In disaster zones, they bring light to darkness, powering relief efforts after hurricanes, earthquakes, or floods. They are the backbone of festivals and concerts, ensuring the show goes on. In developing regions, generators bridge the gap where power grids are unreliable, enabling schools, businesses, and hospitals to function. They even have a place in pop culture. Think of movies where a flickering generator is the only thing standing between survival and chaos. Generators represent humanity's refusal to be left in the dark, both literally and figuratively. Ready for some mind-blowing facts? Did you know that the world's largest generator, at China's Three Gorges Dam, can produce enough electricity to power millions of homes? Or that portable generators were a game changer for Hollywood, letting filmmakers shoot in remote locations without power lines? Here is a wild one. During World War II, soldiers used bicycle-powered generators to charge radios in the field. Talk about pedal power. Generators also play a starring role in extreme environments like Antarctica, where they keep research stations running in sub-zero temperatures. And here is something you might not expect. Artists are using generators to create interactive installations, blending tech and creativity in ways that redefine art. Generators are far more than emergency backups. They're the heartbeat of innovation, resilience, and creativity. From their humble beginnings in the 19th century to their high-tech roles today, they have shaped how we live, work, and even dream. Whether they are powering a hospital, a festival, or a Mars rover, generators remind us that with ingenuity, we can keep the lights on no matter what. If you enjoyed this deep dive into generators, give this video a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more stories about the objects that shape our world. Drop a comment below. What is the coolest generator use you have come across? We would love to hear from you. Thanks for watching Objectified. where ordinary things become extraordinary. See you in the next video.